Hey everybody, it's Taylor with Boydston Grove, and today we're going to make a Christmas shadow box that lights up. Let's get into it. For this project, you're going to need a shadow box. I built mine out of scrap wood, but you don't have to build one if you don't want. You can just pick one up at any craft store or online. You can even use a gift box by just cutting out a window on the front of it. I left my box rough and put a light coat of stain on it to give it a more rustic look. Make sure you put a hole in one of the corners of your box for the wire to go through. I bought the light kit on Amazon for about $13. I'll leave a link in the description. All of the cutouts, the snowflakes, the trees, and the sign, and even the little wooden blocks I used all came from the Dollar Tree. Alright, and there you have it. Our project is completed. It actually came out a lot better than I originally imagined it. I'm really glad that I left the box nice and rough because it gives it that rustic feel that I really like. And using the little blocks behind everything really gives it a three-dimensional look that's just pretty cool. I wasn't expecting the lights to come with a remote the size of my cell phone, but it's really cool because it has a whole bunch of different settings. You can do all different things, all different colors if you want. It's a lot of fun to play with. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it. If you want to see all our other projects, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll know every time we upload a new video. And we would love to hear in the comments below what you thought of this project. Thank you very much for watching. Be safe and have a great day.